Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use effective photo effects in Picsart. Okay, so open your Picsart application right away. Tap on the plus icon, that means start a new project. So quickly select a photo you want to edit. So you tap on see all, then you scroll down to look for that photo you want to edit. Okay, so I'll choose this photo here. Then after choosing the photo, you can tap on effects here. It's abbreviated by FX as its symbol, this one here. So you tap on that, and when you tap on effects, there are a variety of effects. You can choose from the sharpen effect over here. You can choose from the blur section. You can choose the focal blur. Okay, so you can choose the focal point where the blur you want it to occur from. So I can choose that. Okay, so that's how to add effective photo effects in Picsart. Okay, so if you found value in this video, please consider subscribing, hit the like button, and we shall meet in the next video.